with me. Alligator. Alligator loves to swim by the shore. Boo 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 buffalo. Buffalo walk strong, we all adore. Cat, cat purr softly, never a bore. Deer, deer runs swiftly, wanting more. Elepant, elephant trumpet we can't ignore. Frog, frog jumps high, hear it roar. Lord, let's learn animals, A to Z with Frooty and Happy. Sing with me. Giraffe. Giraffe's neck stretches tall to explore. Horse, horse gallops fast across the floor. Iguana, iguana rests under the door. Jaguar, jaguar prowls wild to the core. Kangaroo, kangaroo hops, can't help but soar. Lion, lion roars loud forevermore. Let's learn animals, A to Z with Frooty and Happy. Sing with me.
Hey kids! Did you have fun with FrootyHappy? Don't forget to like and share the video, and tap that bell icon for more magical rhymes.